Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Upstart for a business loan and also when you can't use it for a business loan. So Upstart does not offer traditional business loans, but you can use a personal loan for business purposes under certain conditions. Here are the conditions and the ways to do that. So first, when you can use Upstart for business, you can use it for startup costs. That's the initial funding, or for website development or marketing. You can also use it for equipment and supplies. That's computer, office furniture, tools such as that. And you can also use it for working capital, so short-term operational expenses. You can use Upstart loan for that. Now, when you can't use Upstart for business is when you have large-scale investments. So Upstart caps loans at 50,000, which may be insufficient for major expenses. But you also can't use it for employer payroll or taxes, because business-related tax obligations are typically restricted. You also can't use it for purchasing commercial real estate. So Upstart's loans are personal loans only. Now, alternative business loan options include SBA loans, that's government-backed loans with low interest rates. There's also business line of credit, so revolving credits to manage cash flows. You also have online business lenders, so you have Cabbage, On Deck. These are designed specifically for business needs, so you can make use of these for specific business needs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.